National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Lake County in northeastern Illinois, north central Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 10:15 p.m. At 9:30 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Arlington Heights, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Waukegan, Arlington Heights, Palatine, Hoffman Estates, Buffalo Grove, Wheeling, Northbrook, North Chicago, Gurnee, Mundelein, Highland Park, Vernon Hills, Zion, Libertyville, Lake Zurich, Lake Forest, Deerfield, Prospect Heights, Beach Park, and Glencoe. Including the following interstates: Interstate 94 between mile markers 12 and 30. Interstate 294 between mile markers 12 and 30. This includes Great Lakes Naval Training Center, Lake Forest College, and Ravinia Music Festival. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The severe